Very good afternoon, my friends. How are you? Hope you guys are doing very well, and welcome on this new live trading video from Extreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. So today is gonna be a big day because, as we all know, we are having the upcoming non-farm payrolls and the unemployment rate news coming from the United States. And as we all know, this news usually rocks the market. Most likely it's gonna make a huge impact on the market and is gonna change the direction of most of the trades opened. And that's why actually, let me show you. Yeah, here it is. That's why we have actually sent an earlier notifications to our members in the Extreme Trader Forex Signals Premium group, telling them to be aware about the today's news, that it actually can change the direction of these signals. And we have also sent the same notification in the free group on Telegram. So therefore, as you can see, my friends, those who are in the free and premium group, they are getting the recent updates from Extreme Trader, and they are getting the warnings about the upcoming news and what might happen and can actually affect their trades. Anyway, for us traders, we can actually take advantage of this news. Now, let me just show you how we can actually take advantage of this news and how we can prepare to make a big profit from this news. This is going to be the last trade I'm opening for today. After this, my weekend is going to start, and I'm going to actually just enjoy chilling with the family and yeah, just like that. So I'm not going to open any other trade after this news. So anyway, as you can see right now, I am on the Euro USD. Now, as you can see, back to the news, we are having the non-farm payroll and the unemployment rate, which is going to hit the market exactly at 4:30 p.m. Dubai time, 12:30 p.m. GMT time. Right now, the time is 4:19 p.m. here in Dubai, which means the news is going to happen after approximately 10 minutes. So let's now prepare the orders and let's see how we can do that. So let me show you. First of all, you have to pick the pair which you are going to use for the trade. Of course, I'm choosing the Euro USD since it's the safest one and actually gonna give me many more pips than any other pair. So what we can do is going here to new order, and right now just select the lot size that you are going to use. I'm going to use 0.50. I don't want to use so much because I want to invest a smaller amount. Actually, from $3,600 in my account, I'm planning to invest around, let's say, $300 as a maximum that I might lose in this trade. As I said, the maximum that I can lose, but as a profit, I can make much more than that. You know what? Let me just make it 0.70 to spice things up. All right, so let me now click pending order. And as you can see, I need to choose right here buy stop. Buy stop means that if that, oh, hold on, I forgot to bring my tool. Buy stop means that if this candle is gonna rise and reaches a certain level above the current price, the candle is gonna, a buy order is gonna be executed or gonna be opened, and the candle is gonna take me along with it because the buy order has been triggered and has been activated, which means if the candle gonna rise up, it's gonna take me along with it and I'm gonna make more profits. So therefore, let me just click the arrow right here just to increase the place, and click place, as you can see, like that. So it's advised, in my opinion, to actually place the pending order at least 20 pips far away from the current price. There is a reason for that, of course. The reason is, at the time of the news, the candle is gonna be ranging like this for quite a long time, or sorry, for a very quick time before finally even rise or fall. So you don't really want the candle or the trade to be triggered in the middle of this ranging mode. So better just give a space to the candle to breathe before it actually trigger your buy or sell order. Now we have to repeat the same process. Go back again, pending order. Now this time select sell stop. Sell stop means it has to be placed below the current price of the market. So if the candle is gonna fall down like that, a sell order is gonna be triggered exactly right here, and the candle is gonna take me along with it, making profits as long as the market is going down. So therefore, this arrow right here, the price, click the down arrow this time and place. As you can see, This is the order for the sell, and let's make it exactly 20 pips far away from the current price. Now everything is settled. However, we need to prepare for any unexpected events to happen, which means we need to set the stop losses right now. So let's go right now to the first buy order that I have placed and click modify. And right here on the stop loss, just click the down arrow like that. Enough. Click modify. As you can see, this is the stop loss. If this buy order is going to be triggered, this is going to be my stop loss right here. So let me just make sure, since I told you I'm investing $300, so I'm going to make sure that the stop loss is going to be placed about $300. $300 almost right here. $300 exactly equivalent to 43 pips. So right now, as you can see, the buy order is right here and the stop loss for that buy order is right there. Now we need to do the same for the sell order. Modify, and then the stop loss right here, increase it a little bit more. That's enough. Modify. As you can see, this is going to be the stop loss for the sell order, which is going to be equivalent also to $300. Almost $300. Yeah, almost $300. So just like that, as you can see, my friends. So don't get confused. The buy order is right here and its stop loss is right here, and the sell order is right here and its stop loss is right here. Now I'm safe. No matter what happens, I'm either gonna make good money. If the candle is gonna go down, it's gonna take me along with it and I will make a good money. Or if the candle is gonna rise up like that, it's gonna take me along with it and I'm going to make good money. The maximum I can lose in this case is going to be $300, no more than that. Meanwhile, the profits is open. It can be $500, $1,000, $2,000, depend of course on the outcome news. The profits depends, my friends, on the actual forecast. We have to wait for the actual news to be announced. So right now, we are 5 minutes far away from the news. Let me now go back to the MetaTrader and let me just wait now for the news to come. So let me now please pause the recording and I'll be back to you later to show you what we're going to do with this trade. All right, just 30 seconds separating us from the news. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag this buy order a little bit more, because I think the candle has went down a little bit and we need to be sure it's just 20 pips far away from both buy and sell. Let me just drag a little bit more also the sell order. So now it's okay. As you can see, just 10 seconds. Watch, my friends, what's going to happen. Look at, first of all, the spread, of course. The spread is going to increase in all the pairs with all brokers in the world. That happens. Notice the Euro USD is still 0 pips. That's why I love IC markets. It's still 0 pips on the Euro USD. And as you can see, look at that. The candle has risen up. The candle has went up all the way. Took me along with it. Now what we will do is cancel the sell order. Cancel the sell order. Delete sell stop. We don't want the sell stop anymore. Right now the buy order has been triggered and the candle is rising and take me along with it, making me small profits so far. But let's see how it goes. The candle is still rising and still I am making good profit with it. Nice. The candle is still rising. Come on, keep going, come on. Still going more. 30 minutes, the candle is still rising, my friends. The market is going up. It seems like the news was really bad for the dollar. It's obvious right now that the news, the actual forecast is really bad for the USD dollar. Refreshing the page, still loading, I think. Yeah, still loading. I think there is some a lot of people actually doing this. Anyway, the candle is still rising and I am still making good profits. Let me now do something right here. Let me just drag the stop loss to make it less than that. I don't want to lose so much. Right now I'm actually making good profits so far. My target is to make actually let's say about $400, $500, but maybe I have chosen a small lot size. Still, I'm happy for controlling my funds and actually controlling myself to not go so greedy. But anyway, look at that. The candle is still rising and we are actually making good profit. Don't rush to close it because it's going to continue the rise. Now let's see how far it might rise to. Let's go to the daily chart. So right now on the daily chart, we can see that the Euro USD has actually broke the resistance trend line right here, which means it actually can keep rising all the way till it reaches the resistance on 1.19443. Which means I can expect to make exactly 60 pips profit right from this trade. So far, we are at $102 from this deal. Think should I close it or not? No, keep it going. Don't get greedy, but still also want to keep it going. I'm thinking if I should keep it or not. I think it's going to continue the rise. Definitely, yes. It's definitely going to continue the rise. Again, we are in $102 of profits, and it's still going up more. So I believe I'm actually very happy. It's just so nice, my friends, when you are making good profits so quickly, so fast from your knowledge. Just know about this stuff, learn about it, have experience with it, and trust me, you will enjoy Fridays when you are actually making these good profits in a matter of no time. So still rising, 110, 112. It has reached the resistance right here, and I think I don't want to be so greedy. $115 as a profit is enough for me. Yeah, that's fine. I'm gonna wait some more time. Let's see if the candle might actually fall for another 40 pips, reaching that support level right here. Before we need to buy it again. Meanwhile, the other signals that I have sent earlier on the weekly analysis video are all going in profit. USD CAD has also went deep in the take profit level and actually exceeded it. USD GPY also right now going in the profit. USD CHF we avoided, and the gold is rising. Oh my God! If I bought the gold, I actually didn't come to my mind. Look at the gold. The gold has risen for 156 pips. Oh boy, if I just bought the gold, that would have been much better. But anyway, usually I avoid buying or selling the gold at the news time. I advise you guys to stick to the Euro USD. It's the safest option when you are trying to sell or buy the USD pair upon the USD news. But however, the gold, my God, the gold was actually really a good deal. But however, I don't like to be going so risky anytime. Sorry, anyway, my friends, this has been a good session, and look at that. Now the candle is falling down, so I'm glad that I have went out with a good profit. So anyway, I believe it was a good deal, and I think I might open now a few other trades after what happened, because I was expecting to make more profits. But however, I might now open a few more deals just to make sure if I can reach this account to $4,000 by end of the day. So until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.